Hi everyone, welcome to the IBOtoolbox training webinar. I'm Chris Karafotis. I'm going to be your host for the webinar. For those of you that are new to IBO, I want to welcome you to our community. Whether you're just getting started with IBOtoolbox or you're a veteran member, training is critical to your success. Over the next 30 to 45 minutes, I'm going to be going over information on how to utilize all these amazing tools and resources that you have at your fingertips. And I know this platform might seem a little overwhelming at first, but I promise you that if you just continue to attend these webinars and get the training you need, you will succeed here at IBOtoolbox and your chosen businesses. Okay, so I'm trying to post on the wall. It never fails. Trying to let everybody know that we're starting the webinar, and I always end up trying to post when one of my posts gets circulated through. So it says error, posting too rapidly. Please wait. Oh, too funny. Never fails. Anyways, okay, so if this is the first time that you're attending an IBOtoolbox training webinar, what I'm going to cover is an introduction to IBOtoolbox. I'm going to go over the basics. I'm going to show you how to get started with IBO. I'm going to show you how to get helper assistance at IBOtoolbox. And at the end of the webinar, I'm going to wrap it up and issue you a credit coupon code worth 400 IBO credits that you can use to redeem for advertising on the platform. And let's face it, that's why we're all here, right? We want to get that extra exposure for our business. And I got to tell you guys, you're in the absolute right place at the right time, because there is no better platform than IBOtoolbox. So fasten your seatbelts. You're in for a wild ride. Okay, so the format for the webinar is actually a question and answer session. So if you have questions about IBOtoolbox or its family of websites, please enter in your questions into the chat area. I cannot answer any technical questions. Those need to go through the help desk to be sent over to the development team, or anything that has to do with stuff like that. So be conscientious of the other guests that we've got on the webinar. So if it's more personalized to you, you're better off doing a support ticket, okay? Because we're here to train everybody on IBOtoolbox and go over the features and tools. All right, so go ahead and start entering in your questions in the chat area, and we'll get those answered. Okay, so first of all, a couple of things that I want to go over. One of the things that's really important is training, okay? We have these webinars once a week, and it's really important to get all the members on these training webinars. We can have hundreds of thousands of members here at IBOtoolbox, but if nobody knows how to use the platform, we've got a serious problem. Not only is there less content being put in if no one's using the platform, but there's also less traffic coming back to IBOtoolbox for all of us. Okay, so we work collectively together for all of us to get more traffic, and that traffic is generated through the content that we've put into IBO, like your press releases that you've written, your wall posts, your comments. Everything that you do here on the platform gets indexed out on the search engines. So that's how the traffic is coming back to us. So I do want to go over where this traffic, this traffic sees, okay? So first of all, let's talk about that just for a minute. So we're on the dashboard wall, and this is where the members are. This is where you're posting on the wall. You're reading other members' wall posts, or you're going to click on a link to visit their press release and find out what their press release has to say. So I'm going to refresh this, and I want you to just kind of take a look here as to what you see. Okay, so we've got a post by Todd, and it's talking about, he just posted a press release, what the title is, a link to go and view it, and then we also see the comments that are made. We've got the post that I made about the webinar, and then we've got some other posts as well. So we're going to go to the outside. Okay, so realize that this traffic here on the dashboard is 4% traffic, 4% of the traffic that IBOtoolbox gets, which is over 350,000 visitors each day. So 4% of that is member traffic. The remaining 9% is non-member traffic or visitor traffic, okay? So this is what they're seeing. So let me just refresh this. This is the outside. And once I refresh it, we're going to take a look at what we see and see how similar it is to what we all see on the dashboard. So as we scroll down here to the business owner wall, we've got another post that got in there, but we basically are seeing the same thing, okay? So it's the same thing going on. So if we go back to the wall, the dashboard, we can start clicking on members' names, view their profile, give them credits, send messages, whatever, if we're associated with them, okay? We can click on view press release to go read the press release here, Todd's press release, okay? But let's go back to the outside here. Let's go back to Todd's press release. If we click on it from the outside, and let me just make sure that you guys see that I'm on the outside here. If I click on view press release, it takes us to the press release. So what I'm trying to say to you is that 96% of the daily traffic is non-member traffic. This is really who you're truly marketing to, not the members, but that non-member traffic. You're going for the bigger picture here. Okay, because we can't possibly, we're all promoting some business opportunity, right? We can't possibly join one another's business opportunity, but what we can do is we can work collectively as a group, helping promote each other's business opportunities by sending more traffic, commenting, which bumps that post back up to the top of the wall so that it goes down that wall again for more eyeballs to see. Okay, so people are arriving here, visitors are arriving here at IBOtoolbox because they're interested in what we have to offer them. Okay, so everyone wants to make money. So as you write a press release about, you know, your business opportunity or your product or whatever, how to make money, you know, stuff like that, they're going to the search engines and they're putting in search terms that equal what you've written about, and that's how they're finding you. That's how all of this traffic is coming back. But when they're on the outside looking in, they can also click on members' names to go and visit their profile. Okay, so I just clicked on John Gatto's name and it took me to his profile. So I can also go and check out his social wall. I can check out his press releases, businesses, videos, etc. Okay, so the other tip that I want to give you is because this information can be seen and is seen by the majority of the traffic on the outside, you want to always be very professional in your postings and in your comments, because you never know who's watching you, right? They might have stumbled upon your profile and realize that, hey, you just happen to be in that business that person is looking to join, but they're looking for a strong sponsor. So they're going to take a look at your profile and see if you might be someone that they want to enroll under. So there's lots and lots of endless possibilities. So again, it's really important to know who you're marketing to. You're marketing to those non-members. Yes, the members can go check out your profile. That is very important too. But they know where to go and look. And again, they're already promoting a business opportunity. So it's, you know, it's more important that you know who you're really marketing to, which is the non-members. Okay, enough about that. I am going to go and check and see if we've got any questions. So basically, IBOtoolbox is a community of like-minded internet marketers just like yourself, and it was specifically developed for the internet marketer. Every feature, tool, widget, and app was developed to help you market your businesses. So, you know, the press releases, when I'm talking about every feature, widget, tool, and app, like your press release app, your IBO URLs, .NET aliases, all of these apps are helping you, or widgets or tools are helping you promote your business. And the cool thing about IBO is that it's created an environment for all of us marketers to get together and work collectively to help one another without that competition. So it's a great platform to be a part of. And you get a lot of exposure for your business. You can run banner ads, listing ads, you can purchase extra credits, you can also earn credits, become part of Club IBO, and there's some other alternatives there too. Plus we've got all the other family of websites that you can be a part of: IBO Exchange, IBO Extra, IBO Banners, rebrandable traffic, and the list goes on and on. So there's a lot here to offer and a lot for free. And most of these other platforms on the internet, free or even those expensive paid ones, don't offer even close to what IBOtoolbox offers. So again, you're in the right place at the right time. So take advantage of this, you guys, and get the exposure that your business needs for you to be successful. All right, so let's see. I know I've got a few questions here. Let me go back up to the top. Okay, so you guys are all saying no sound before I started talking. All right. Okay, so, and if you are experiencing no sound, just go out and come back in again. Okay. Okay, so question is, can you give me some tips to promote IBO system because I'm getting no response at all? Okay, so I actually did a press release and I want you to go and look at it because there are a lot of ways that you can promote IBO. You can promote on Facebook, other social networks. You know, there's some other platforms out there as well. And I know all the members are, you know, advertising as you see. So, you know, anything where traffic exchanges, you know, anything like that, definitely want to go grab your promotional referral links under referral links here on the dashboard, and you can grab those and post those wherever you can. You've got your text invite links, you've got splash page invite links, you've got banners, graphics, all of these different opportunities. You can put them on web pages. You know, you can just about do anything that you would to promote businesses. One thing that you want to remember is IBOtoolbox is free to join. Okay, it's a free platform. You can earn credits and get exposure for your business. So think about it for a second. You're attracting other network marketers or other business owners, whatever you want to call it, okay, to IBOtoolbox because it's something that they could find useful, that they find of value to promote their businesses. So instead of trying to promote another business opportunity to them, promote something that will help them grow their business and then start building that business relationship with them. Okay, so I mentioned that I do have a press release. So let's go to my IBO social profile page, press releases, and it's under, I think it's this one, Make Money with IBOtoolbox, How to Get Referrals. Okay, so I've got a couple of text ads that you can use, 3 of them here. You can put your dynamic email signature that's under referral links on your email here. This is a great way to promote IBO as you're sending out emails. Just to mention right off the bat, and you can certainly contact me about these platforms, I use Lead Sleep. I know there's another one that I've been getting great response here at IBO, million leads for free. I've been able to get referrals here at IBO very easily. Just, you know, safe lists, you know, places like that. Google Plus, post your banners or whatever. Facebook, you have to be a little bit careful. Twitter, you know, you can post links and so forth. You know, share your press release out there because everyone that arrives on your profile page has the opportunity to join you for free by clicking on this link or the Associator, IBOtoolbox Associator widget. They can also follow you on the other platforms here. You know, find out more about you, IBO Tube, Rebrandable Traffic, IBO Answers, IBO Extra, and there's some other ones back there as well. Okay, so don't give up. I know you can post in Facebook groups, but make sure that you check it out and make sure that it's okay to post links in there. Um, just don't spam. Send an email out to your list. Um, that should give you enough to keep busy for a little bit, okay? And just, keep going. Keep going. You've got to be consistent in whatever you do, so just keep posting. And again, anything that I mentioned, if you, need more information about those two, just message me here at IBO and I'd be happy to share that with you, okay? Okay. Is rebrandable traffic a free source or do you pay? Okay, so when you register for free or rebrandable traffic, you can do a campaign for 100 leads, okay? So, or 100 visitors to wherever you want them to go. Okay, so that's free, so you can test it out. You can get visitors for very, very inexpensive price, as low as 2 cents, I think, a visitor. Occasionally there's sales over there, but I would just go to, IBO or rebrandable traffic and, register for free. Okay, I actually have a course. Oh, let's talk about training. We have marketwithchris.com, which is the official training platform for IBOtoolbox. So to get there, just click on Get Training under Site Navigation. That takes you marketwithchris.com, the official IBOtoolbox training platform. I've got a short video here, more about the site, introducing myself and so forth, more information about the site, some member testimonials. Down here you've got your IBOtoolbox lessons. There's 42 lessons, plus there's also rebrandable traffic, where we go here, right here, training as well. So for each lesson that you watch, they're short video tutorials, you're going to earn 50 IBO credits for each lesson. So there's 42 of them, so you're going to actually earn, you can earn up to 2,100 credits. Okay, so and then with the rebrandable traffic, there's 5 lessons for that. I walk you through, show you how to set up a campaign, how to connect it with your Response Magic autoresponder and do a lead capture page. Now that's what I would recommend with rebrandable traffic, is that you set up a lead capture page, okay? Because you want to capture those leads so that you can go back, build those relationships with your leads, and then sell to them. Okay, so again, take the lessons here at at marketwithchris.com. Learn how the platform works, get some extra credits to get more exposure for your business, and just keep always constantly learning. Now, also too, getting back to the person that asked me about enrolling people, I've got a bunch of courses that you can take for different ways on, how you can use Periscope or Instagram or Pinterest or LinkedIn to market your business. And you can certainly do that with IBO as well, with the tactics and the tricks and tips that I teach in these other courses. Okay, so you've got a lot of resources here for you. All right, and these courses too are the most up-to-date courses or lessons, tutorials on IBOtoolbox and its family of websites. All righty, let's see, what do we have next here? I gave you a boost. I'm so glad. There's a lot of stuff you can do to promote IBO and your businesses. I mean, but when you're new to this industry, you're new to internet marketing, you just don't know about all these things. And if you hear about all this stuff, you're not really sure what works and what doesn't. So one thing that you guys that don't know me will learn about me, I am a straight shooter. So if I recommend something, it works. I've tested it, it works, okay? I'm not going to recommend something that doesn't work, okay? So, and IBOtoolbox has the same philosophy. They're not going to recommend anything or build anything for its members if it's not effective, okay? So that's what That's what it's all about, okay? And I got to tell you a quick story too, because I've been in this industry for 16 years. And when I started 16 years ago, it wasn't on the internet, it was offline. And I started with a fairly large company. Uh, Now it's very large, but I was one of the first founding members, and it was it was nutritionals and skincare. And I stuck with that company for 3 years, okay, and I didn't make any money for 3 years. But once I figured out, or I didn't quit, actually I didn't figure out, okay, once I started making money after those 3 years, and then I added the internet on. Okay, so I never quit. I went and got my training, same training all the time, same phone call on Saturday, same thing was said, same person said it. I memorized that speech that person did. But you know what? I walked away from that call every Saturday with something new that I learned. And I took what I learned and I put it into action. And yes, it did take me 3 years to make money. But once I did that, I made money very quickly, and I was like top 2% of that company. So I'm not telling you this to impress you or anything else, but don't quit. Just try different things. If it's not working, try something else. But whatever you do that you find that you're getting results, maybe it's not, those leads aren't converting right away, tweak it a little bit. You're getting the leads, but they're not converting, so you need to tweak it a little bit. You're getting visitors. People are clicking on your banner ads. You're getting visitors, but they're not converting. You need to tweak it a little bit. You need to, maybe send them to a different page. You need to just test and tweak, okay? So don't quit, okay? Just keep on keeping on, because if you quit or if you go to something else before you've got that running, you'll never be successful. Okay, so after I started doing that, I got on the internet because I knew that was a viable source to build my business. So I got on the internet. I didn't know anything, and I was on information overload, and I didn't know who to believe, what to join, where to advertise, anything like that. So we are so lucky to have IBOtoolbox with us, because there's a wealth of information, not only with IBOtoolbox and the stuff that I have that I train on, but the other members as well. Just do your research. You have to do your research. You got to make sure it's right for you. I know that the things that I did in that company early on, a lot of my downline would not do it, which was getting on the phone and making phone calls. A lot of people didn't want to do that. But I didn't have any problems doing that, but I knew it wasn't duplicatable, so I had to find something else for them to do. That's why I got on the internet. So anyways, that's enough about that. But what I'm trying to say to you is find something that you're comfortable doing and just keep at it, test and tweak it, refine it, whatever you have to do, and you will be successful. Okay? Let's see here. Okay, unable to change my image on the profile or delete it. Okay, so first of all, you want to make sure that you're using either Chrome or Mozilla Foxfire or Firefox. If you're using Internet Explorer, you're having a problem. You're going to encounter problems with IBOtoolbox or any of its family of websites. So make sure of that. Make sure that you disable pop-ups. Okay, so you're going to go to Edit Profile, and you're going to scroll down to Step 2, which is your profile image. Okay, so if you want to delete it, you simply click on Delete Profile Image, and then it would go back to the default. But if you want to change it, you simply click on Change Profile, and you're going to browse your computer. So you're going to click on Choose File, and it's going to open up your computer, and then you just find one on your computer and you upload it, whatever. This is my banner stuff. So anyways, and then you go, next, and you can crop it or whatever. Okay? If you're having problems, the image might be too big. If you really run into problems, do a support ticket. I'll take and attach the image, and I will upload it for you. But I'm sure you can do it. Okay. Let's see. Yep. All right. So editing your profile or getting that set up is the most important thing that you can do when you join IBO. Your IBO social profile page is your public storefront. Okay, so it's really, really important that you get that up and running with all your information, your businesses, your links, your backlinks, all of that, so that when you get visitors, and you will get visitors to your profile, they can learn more about you. Gone are the days of in-your-face selling. Your profile's right there. It's all about you. Have your stuff on there. Have it updated constantly, and you will get a lot of good response. Okay, so step one is basic information, your name, your geographic location. If you want to be contacted by your phone and Skype, you want to put that in the boxes there. Your email is always kept private. Your referral gets that when you join IBO. It's shown under the My Lead section if you've referred members to IBO. And IBOtoolbox gets it also, so that they can send you a confirmation link when you join. To activate your account, you need to enter in your PayPal email address so that you can get paid. Yes, you do earn commissions here at IBO. For every member that you refer to IBOtoolbox, when they purchase credits, you earn a commission on that purchase. Okay? If you're a free member, then here at IBOtoolbox, or if you're just a basic member, I should say, you earn 20% of that referrals credit purchase. If you're part of Club IBO, you're going to earn 50% commission on that credit, on that referrals credit purchase. Okay, so that's something to think about. Put in your username for rebrandable traffic, your user ID number for IBO Extra, your IBOTube channel URL, gigs, IBO Gig Store URL, and IBO Answers username, and click on Save. Step 2, profile image, we just talked about that. Step 3 is your business information. This is where you put your information about your business. Okay, so you're going to put your business name, your title, your link. If you've got a business opportunity website or a product website, you would put the different links in these boxes. If you only have one, put the same one in both of them, or create an IBO URL. You could do that as well. And then just do a short business description or write-up in the box and click on Save. Okay, at any time you can edit by clicking on the notepad, or delete by clicking on the red X. Now, there's only 3 steps that are required. Okay, if you decide to stop there, it's okay, but I would recommend that you complete all 9 steps. But if you decide to stop there, just make sure that you go back to the dashboard and physically click on dashboard so that you get your 500 advertising credits. Okay, very important. All right, that's why we're all here, right? We want to get those credits to advertise, and you do get 500 once you've completed your profile. If you don't return to the dashboard, you won't get your credits until you log in again to IBOtoolbox. All right, so step 4 is adding a contributor badge. Okay, many reasons why you want to do that. Either become part of Club IBO or purchase credits. It shows others that you're serious about your business enough to put a little money behind it. The minimum credit purchase is only $10. Certainly, each and every one of you have at least $10 to put behind your business, right? Put into your business, right? I hope so. If not, I would definitely say you're in the wrong business here, okay? Because you got to put in a little bit of money somewhere, okay? It makes you stand out in a crowd as IBOtoolbox gets larger and larger. It's a great way. You've got that nice little badge next to your profile, on your profile, next to your name. So you can just click here to add contributor badge, or visit the Credit Center. Okay, step 5 is customizing your IBO social profile page. You can do that with graphics like I've done. You can put a whole web page in there. You can do video, text. This is the design editor, so you can use these icons, video, images, links, bullet points, all kinds of things. Or you can use HTML, which is what I do, but obviously you have to know a little bit of HTML to do that. Okay, and then just click on Save when you get done. Step 6 is business links backlinks. You give a link a name and then the URL, and click on Save. Step 7 is your other social networks. You select from the drop-down menu, choose Facebook. Your link would look something like this. Okay, and then click on Save. At any time you can edit or delete. And then step 8 is where you're going to go, where you're going to go and upload your business videos. Okay, so you're going to give your video a title. You're going to put in the YouTube URL, the more info link, and a few video keywords, and click on Save. Now all of these, everything that I'm going through is going to show up on your profile, and we'll go over there and go over where everything's seen. Step 9 is monetizing your IBO social profile page. You can do that with Google AdSense. You have to be approved by Google AdSense to do that, okay? You can also use Lead Sleep, and there's some other ones that you can use, but you're basically creating an ad unit or getting the script for an ad unit that's 160 by 600, and you're going to copy that script and paste it in the box here and check to comply with the terms and conditions, and then click on Save. Okay, so let's go over to the profile. So again, if it's the first time that you're completing the profile, click on Dashboard to get your credits. Those will be automatically transferred over to you, and then we're going to go to the profile, and you got a link to your profile right here above your stats. So we're going to click on that. So your picture shows up here, your name, when you've been a member, you're a member since your start date, join date to IBO, is what I'm trying to spit out here. Your stars and badges are all displayed here. Performance and stats, your country, your likes received, how many times you've been featured member of the day, how many associates you have, wall posts, comments made, press releases, videos, and if you want your phone or Skype ID to be visible, it would go in this area here. Your profile visitor stats for daily, monthly, and total. Your IBOtoolbox Associator widget. This is not by completing a step. It's just automatically displayed, as well as these other items here. Press releases, your 10 most recent press releases. Business links, which is step 6, backlinks. This is where they go or end up showing up on your profile. Recent videos, 10 most recent videos. This is where they show up. Step 9, your Google AdSense or Lead Sleep or whatever you want shows up here. Active associates. These are your associates, members that you're associated with that have recently logged on. So they're actively on the platform. Okay. And then your other IBO platforms that you're a part of with, the widgets for those, which is located under step 1. Okay. And then as we scroll back up, you have your Facebook, which was step 7, and your other social network buttons. You've got your Facebook comments. You've got your customization area. You have your menu bar. Home is where we're at now. Social wall is seen here. Your posts and comments are here. And your businesses, this is step 3. This is where it's displayed. Nice professional listing of your businesses, press releases, all of your press releases, and they're also quickly searchable through their titles. Okay, so somebody could search here if they wanted to. Videos. Same thing, all your videos with searchable title, and learn more. Anyone that fills out their information here becomes a lead for you, which is housed under the My Leads section. Under Site Navigation, we also have the search feature. Every member has their own branded search engine. You can give out your link, or when your visitors here, they can enter in anything here and it will render all of your results. So I put in press releases, click on search, you got the Google related ads, and then everything that I've done on press releases. Okay? So hopefully you guys are seeing how powerful this site is and really what it can do for your business. And I know this is a lot to take in. I am recording this. You can view it probably sometime tomorrow over on IBOtoolbox's YouTube channel, so you can review it. Again, I would recommend that you take the lessons over at marketwithchris.com, earn yourself some extra credits, and really understand how the platform works. It's been a proven fact that those members that take the time to learn this platform and its family of websites get the best results with their businesses. Okay, so again, this is a free resource for everyone. Use IBOtoolbox, brand yourself, get your business out there. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Thank you so much for using IBOtoolbox to grow your business. IBOtoolbox works as a collective. The power in the system is generated by active members putting out indexable content. Important to remember, if we don't know how to do that, we need to get training, and it's important to spread the word. Okay, so we're going to go to the Credit Center, and we're going to click on Redeem Coupon. This opens up an IBO credit code redeemer box, okay? It's really important that you follow the instructions or listen carefully to what I'm saying in order to learn how to do this, okay? Because once we end this webinar, you're going to have to go and redeem this code. Okay, so it says, in order to unlock the redemption tool and redeem your credits, please click and visit ads located on at least one of the following links here. Okay, but if I say, I don't want to do that, and I go and try and check this box, it will not let me check it, okay? And you might say to yourself, well, I visited some ads before I opened this up. I should be good. It still won't let you check it, okay? So I'm gonna prove this to you. So I'm going to actually go to, let's see, I'm gonna go to the newsletter. Okay, newsletter is a great place to get training, information, what's happening. There's also a credit code for reading the newsletter. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and click on this ad, and I'm going to come back. And I'm going to redeem my coupon, and I'm going to try and check this. But guess what? It won't let me because I didn't follow these instructions here. I have to click on at least one of the following links. Well, there's only one link there this time, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So takes us back to IBOtoolbox, the dashboard, and I'm waiting for the ad to show up. Close that out, and I'm clicking on it. Okay, I'm going to go back here. This pop-up is still showing, but watch what happens when I try and check this box. It lets me. Okay, so just find one of the links here, click on the link, go visit an ad or two, and come back. Okay, and then enter in your credit coupon code, which for the webinar is take action. All one word, doesn't matter if it's all caps or lowercase, it will work. Okay, and then click on redeem coupon, and it says, whoops, accepted, 400 credits were added. All right, thank you guys for coming to the webinar. I appreciate each and every one of you taking time out of your busy schedule to come and get trained. Training is critical to your success, so I really appreciate you guys. You are awesome. Have a great Wednesday. Go IBO.